Hello, wonderful crafting friends. Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share 2 recent releases from our friends at Colorit. Now, today, where I am, is a beautiful, sunny but cold day. I'm filming kind of late in the day, so I have this beautiful shaft of warm sunshine coming into my filming area. It's making me happy. It's so nice. Now, I have not stopped in with a coloring video where I'm coloring for a long time, you guys. I realize it's been a long time for you coloring lovers since I did any kind of color along or color tutorial. That is only because my life has been capital C crazy. But I do hope to get back into that kind of content in the future, hopefully soon, because I miss it so much. I miss my coloring so much. So for you coloring lovers who have hung around despite this lack of coloring content over the last few months, thanks so much. Even though I haven't been doing a lot of coloring myself, I don't want to deprive you of the opportunity to see what's new from Colorit. I partner with Colorit pretty often to show you new releases. And in turn, Colorit is always kind enough to offer a giveaway for all of their recent releases that they send me to show you here on the channel. So if you're interested in receiving one of our 2 fabulous new releases in the mail directly from Colorit, please enter using the Happy Mail giveaway form that I'll link in the description below. I'll use this for the giveaway, but also I need you to leave a comment before the date that I'll stick up on the screen here, just so I know who's interested in coloring from my list. And would you please let me know which of these 2 releases, after you see me flip through, might be more of interest to you and more in line with your coloring style. So those winners will not be drawn based on the comments. I will use a random comment picker. That way there can't be any puppet mastering from me. Now, if you're interested in seeing weekly crafting content, I post once or maybe more occasionally during the week. If you wouldn't mind stroking that subscribe button's fur backwards until it runs away, that would be amazing. And then turn on the notifications so you never miss any content from Tiny Worlds of Wonder and the sound of her neighbor's snowblower, because that's always important. All right, let's dive right in. Let's start with Mandalas Volume 5. What I want to do here today is give you a quick flip through. Aw, Steve, my neighbor, is snow blowing my sidewalk for me. That's so nice. Thanks, Steve. So in every Colorit publication, we have this awesome top binding. All the pages are tear out, they're single-sided, and often there's some kind of little inspiration page in the front of the release. So in this one we have complementary colors, analogous colors, and triadic colors. So some tips for coloring mandalas. Let me know out there if you guys are mandala coloring lovers. I'm gonna go a little fast in my flip through today because I want to make sure I get through both books, and my phone is is pretty close to out of memory today. I'm having one of those days when I couldn't get enough piano student videos off my phone to film my other videos. Okay, what I'm seeing so far is these are really intricate and beautiful designs. Colorit's been kind enough to send me a couple of their mandalas books. And all of them have different styles, I must say. So this one looks like it's quite detailed. The coloring areas are kind of small, which I really like. Ooh, that's pretty. I think I tend to prefer the more detailed mandalas like this. You guys let me know. Let me know what you think. I'll stick some links up in the cards to the other mandala videos that I've debuted so you guys can kind of see what's what and what kind of your favorite style might be for mandalas. I was lucky enough one time here in my local library to witness the creation of a mandala, a very detailed sand mandala, by some monks who were visiting our city and created a beautiful mandala that we got to kind of watch part of the creation of, and then of course it was destroyed right after. Because I don't know a lot about that area of spirituality, but I know that the destruction of it is part of the experience of creating it. So that was a really special experience for me. These are gorgeous. So every Colorit book has 50 designs, all very unique and very cool. Gorgeous. Ooh. Love it. Those are beautiful. So that is Mandalas Volume 5. That is beautiful. I'm really looking forward to coloring a mandala in that really detailed book. I really hope I can do it soon so I can share it with you guys here. The second book I want to show you today is called Colors of Inspiration Volume 2, Inspirational Quotes and Positive Affirmations. Let's roll. I haven't looked at this one yet. This is the first time I'm seeing it. Let's see what we have here. Illustrated by Hasbi Mubarak, edited by Elisa Callahan. Hasbi Mubarak is one of my favorite of their illustrators. It's great stuff. So this, the blotter page, is some coloring patterns, or sorry, some color schemes that you might use on your inspirational quotes. This is just the beginning. Good to remember. Be yourself. That one has a pretty cactus in it. I like it. Life is moments. Ain't that the truth? Today I choose joy. Very pretty. Very pretty. I must say, this has more kind of pictorial images than I thought it would have. When I heard inspirational quotes, I was thinking it would be mostly words with not a lot of images. But this has proved me very wrong. Look at that. Bloom with grace. These would be beautiful to color and actually hang up. And because all these books have that top perforation, that would be just spectacular, I think. Give yourself time. Very nice portrait. Good exercise motivation on that page, which I always need. Shine like the stars. Ooh, I can see. Okay, do you guys just get like color inspiration when you look at certain pages? This one I see like blues, navies, and then metallics. That'd be so cool. Happiness comes in waves. It will find you again. Aw, love that. There's a Bible quote there. I like that one. That's cute. So far, my favorite is that really, really floral one. And the stars. I like that one too. How do you choose, though? I'm trying to keep you guys in frame. I apologize if I missed the mark there a few times. Oh, that's a cool one. I like architectural elements, always. Life is too short to spend at war with yourself. These are good. These are good sayings. Really good sayings. So cool. Okay, this book is really impressing me. Really impressing me. And lots of images to go with our words. Oh. I found the one. Do you guys have a one in every book that's like going to be the first one you do? I think that's the one. That's gorgeous. Let's look at it again. It's okay. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's stupendous. Love it. So if you're a person of faith, there are a few Bible quotes, but if you're like me and you're not so much, there's plenty for you too, I think. Good stuff. Always I like the mix of portrait and landscape. Ooh, I love these clock motifs. Those are great. I love vintage things. I think that's the draw. All we have is now. Cool. Nice. When it rains, look for rainbow. When it's dark, look for stars. That's going to be fun to color with all those details. I like details. Oh, really nice. I'm excited to send this book to one of you. And the mandalas too. It's very zen, and it's coloring and crafting is all about our mental health, right? Taking a break from the hustle and bustle. Both of the books I'm showing you today are really great for that. For a good day. Oh, look at those cute birdies. Before I started filming, I was like, oh, the sun, it's encroaching in my lighting here, but I've decided to embrace it. Because we all need a little sunshine. Are we going to begrudge ourselves the sunshine? No way. So there we go. How cool is that book, you guys? Colors of Inspiration, Volume 2, Inspirational Quotes and Positive Affirmations, and Mandalas, Volume 5. Two really awesome recent releases from Colorit. Like I said, if you would like to receive one of these books, please sign up in the Happy Mail form down below. If you would like to find one of these books for yourself and you just think it's awesome, I will stick my affiliate link in the description below. I do earn a small commission when you use that link because I am an affiliate for Colorit, but I hope that just helps you find great products really easily, and I really, really enjoy bringing them to you. Thanks for stopping in for this quick video today. I hope you have a marvelous rest of your day. Take care of yourselves. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.